Hi everyone, this is Neicey from Neicey's Custom. I know it's been a long time, but I had so much stuff that I'm trying to do, getting ready to do, and had to do. Well, first, I'm going to show you what I'm currently working on right now. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Me and my husband purchased this 17 by 16 trailer right here. Let me let you look inside. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Oh, it's big, spacious, and I'm going to show you what has to go inside this trailer. Okay, then you saw the trailer. Now this is my storage house. See, my husband, he did the landscaping in the front, and he did the little stones in the front of it, built a little step, and I'm gonna show you what has to go in this trailer. You don't have to open it like that if they can see it. And this stuff, all this has to go in that trailer. So I have my work cut out for me. This storage house right here, well, not a storage house anymore. This is going to be my new office. And what I said, I had a lot of stuff that I was doing. That's why it took me so long to upload a video. Well, I had to quit my job that I was working with for 14 years because of my mother. She need a full-time caregiver. I can't find no one, so I decided to go ahead and quit my job because my nieces and my nephew stay with my mother, and it's not fair to them that they have to sit up all day and deal with my mother. So I decided to quit my job. It was a hard decision to do. I prayed about it. I asked God to guide me in the right direction, and He did, and that was the result for me to go ahead and quit my job and take care of my mother full time. But I also have I'm working on my businesses. I'm working on my YouTube page, so that'll give me enough time to do the stuff that I want to do. And everybody know you only got one mother, and you want to take care of her, you know, long as she's here. And I live in South Carolina, y'all, and the mosquitoes, they're like driving me in the house right now because I cannot take it. I am not an outside person. So I'm gonna be, filming, day by day on how the move is coming along and getting my office situated. I had to put, insulation and electricity and water all in there, and I will be recording all that. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it because it's going to be a treat. Trust and believe it's going to be a treat. Okay, that's all I have. And my last day on my job is July 30th. It's going to be a bittersweet, time. They're going to have a big party for me and everything, and but that's always going to be my family. Reliable Medical Equipment always going to be my family, and I love them dearly. but it's something that I have to do. Okay, the next time, peace.